In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your plan from the billing dashboard. To get started, open your dashboard and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're in, look for the billing or plan section. This is usually where you can review your current subscription, check plan details, and manage any changes related to your account. Go ahead and click into that area so you can access the available upgrade options. After that, you'll want to compare the plans. Take a moment here to review the different features, limits, and pricing so you can choose the option that best fits your needs. Depending on the platform, you may see a side-by-side comparison that highlights what's included in each plan. This is helpful because it lets you understand exactly what you'll be getting before you make any changes. Once you've found the plan you want, click the upgrade button associated with that option. You'll then be taken to the payment step. At this point, enter your payment details carefully. Make sure the information is accurate, since even a small typo can cause the payment to fail or delay the upgrade. If billing information is already saved, it's still a good idea to quickly review it and confirm that everything is current. Some platforms may also show a summary of the charge, including the billing cycle or any taxes. So take a second to look that over as well. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment to complete the upgrade. After you confirm, the system will usually process the change right away, and your account should update to the new plan. In many cases, you'll also receive an on-screen confirmation or a receipt by email, which can be useful if you want a record of the transaction. If the upgrade doesn't appear immediately, give it a brief moment and then refresh the page or return to the billing section to verify that the new plan is active. This can help you confirm that the update went through successfully. And that's it. By going to your dashboard, opening the billing or plan section, comparing the available plans, selecting upgrade, entering your payment details, and confirming, you can quickly move to the plan that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.